ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वदरुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनाधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयि उन् ऋलुक् ओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लन् न्यमाङ्गणम्
जभै
खडदश् जबगडदश् खफ छठथ छटतौ पै शशसर् अल् इति महेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अकुवस्तजनीयानां कण्ठः यशानां तालु ऋतुरषाणां मूर्धा ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ न्यमाङ्गणानां नासिका च हेतोः कण्ठतालु ओदौ तोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम् पकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम् जह्वामूलीयस्य जह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजते
रामो राममणि सदा रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः भवतु मे भो राममुद्धर
प्रकारान्तः अस्मद् शब्दः त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु समानरूपः
प्रकारान्तः अस्मच्छब्दः त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु समानरूपः
आवां वयम्
अहम् आवां वयम्
आं मा आवां नौ अस्मन्नः
आवाम्नः
मया आवाभ्याम् अस्माभिः
आवाभ्यामभिः
मह्यं मे आवाभ्यां नौ अस्मभ्यं नः
मह्यं मे आवाभ्यां अस्मभ्यं नः
मत् आवाभ्याम् अस्मत्
मत् आवाभ्याम् अस्मत्
मम मे आवयोः नौ अस्माकं नः
मम मे आवयोः नौ अस्माकं नः
मयि आवयोः अस्मासु
मयि आवयोः अस्मासु
अन्तः युष्मद् शब्दः त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु समानरूपः
समानरूपः
त्वं युवां यूयम्
त्वं युवां यूयम्
त्वां त्वा युवां वां युष्मान्वः
त्वां युवां वां युष्मान्वः
त्वया युवाभ्यां युष्माभिः
त्वया युवाभ्यां युष्माभिः
युभ्यं ते युवाभ्यां वां युष्मभ्यं वः
तुभ्यं ते युवाभ्यां वां युष्मभ्यं वः
तत् युवाभ्यां युष्मत्
त्वत् युवाभ्यां युष्मत्
तव ते युवयोगो वां युष्माकं वः
तव ते युवयोः वां युष्माकं वः
त्वयि युवयोगो युष्मासु
युवयोः युष्मासु
This Asmat Shabda, Yushmat Shabda, very important Shabda. Need to know that. Last class, I was seeing this on the word file. We were reading this Asmat Yushmat Shabda. I mean, this. And after that, we are doing this practice. वर्तमानकालः परस्मैपदी धातूनां मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनं. Simple the sentences where this words is Yushmad Tvam is used, Tvam Kadasi. This is the one last class we saw. Remember? This is the one we saw in the last class. I think Tvam we have done. Tvam is you. Yuvam is you too. So this exercise is meant to be familiar with the and the usage of agam, tvam in all the forms, all the vachanams. Okay, so we will continue with this and read this. Ratnaji, you need to know Kriya Padam. Okay, if you don't know Kriya Padam, we have done Abhyasa, then there is no point in reading this. You should remember the Kriya
Yes.
Padam, whatever we have seen. Okay.
Yes.
Homework. Yes, you need to at least you can write it and see and tell. Yes.
Yes, I have done the homework. Yes,
Yes.
Sharanji. Yuvam, the example is Yuvam Khadataha. The next one, Yuvam Gayataha. And Yuvam Patataha. Sorry?
Yuvam is you too. Madhyama Purusha.
You too. I'm sorry. You too. You too. That is dual. Dvivachanam. Yuvam is you too. Yes. UTWO. Yes. Yuvam Yachataha. I wanted to ask you, can we write Dadataha also, or it's only Yachataha? Both are right?
Both are right.
Okay, thank you.
Like
Yuvam.
like this. Yuvam sings is there after that cries. You can read horizontally.
Sorry?
You can read as I show in the screen. Highlighted.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Yuvam Gayataha. And Yuvam, this one, Krandataha. Cries is, Krandataha. Yuvam Patataha. And Yuvam, there are two words I put, I don't know. I also put Dahataha and Vidahataha. I don't know which one is that. Both are right?
Vidahataha, Dahataha. Both are right only. Yes.
Okay. Next one, what am I reading? Yuvam Yachataha, and I'm not seeing. And Yachataha, and Yuvam Nayataha.
Yes.
Yuvam Garjataha, and Yuvam Pachataha.
Okay, after that, next person. Priyaji.
Thank you.
Shri beats Yuvam Tadayataha, Yuvam Akyataha,
Akhvayataha.
Akwayataha.
Calls or invites.
Okay.
Akhvayati. See,
Akwayataha.
already we have done before for last month. Now
Yes.
for this month we are doing. Remember all the Kriya Padam.
Yes. Yes.
Akhvayati, akhvayataha, akhvayanti.
Yes.
Akhvayasi, akhvayataha, akhvayatha. Akhvayami, akhvayavaha, akhvayamaha. So if it is tvam, it is tvam is, what is tvam? Tvam dash. What will come for akhvaya?
Akwayasi.
Akhvayasi. Yuvam akhvayataha, yuyam
Taha.
akhvaya.
Akwayatha.
Aham
Akwayatha.
akhvayami, abam akhvayavaha, vayam akhvayamaha.
Yes.
Okay, 1.2, one
Okay.
form is enough. By that, you should remember other forms also.
Yes. Yuvam Krandataha, Yuvam Anugachataha.
Tha is Mahaprana. Okay, if it is Alpa Prana, then it will become Prathama Purusha Dvivachanam. Remember.
Okay. Okay. Yuvam Krandatah. Yuvam
Krandatah.
Anugat. Sorry, Ji, I couldn't hear you.
Krandatah.
Krandatah. Yes, Ji, that's what I said. Krandatah and Yuvam Anugachatah. Yuvam Upavishataha. Yuvam Patayataha. Yuvam Ganayataha. Yuvam Sprishyataha.
Prishatah.
Sprishyataha.
Prishya. Prisha. Prishat.
Yeah, Sprishyataha, right?
Prishya. Sprisha. Sprishatah.
Sprishyataha. Yuvam Likataha. Yuvam Rakshataha.
Yes, up to that. Rakshatah or Palayatah. Many words are there. Next person. Or Avataha also is there. Next person. Similarly. Please read here.
Shailji, just a quick question. Sorry for the
Yes.
scratches. What is that word? I couldn't hear in
Dahati you
scratches.
can use or tapati you can use. Dahati, burn.
Dahati, right?
Dahanti. Dahasi,
Okay.
dahatha,
Thank you.
dahami, dahavaha, dahamaha. Other one is tapati, tapdatu.
Okay.
Tapati, tapataha, tapanti, tapasi, tapataha, tapatha, tapami, tapavaha, tapamaha.
Okay. Thank
Tapdatu.
you. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yuvam archatah. Yuvam jumps. I think I missed out on that. Yuvam thaha. Jumps is what, Guruji?
Dhavati, the same word.
Dhavati. Dhavatah. Thank you. Dhavatah. Yuvam gayatah. Yuvam namatah. Yuvam prachatah.
Not prachataha. It is not prachataha, it becomes prichataha.
Okay, yeah.
Not pra. Listen. Prichati, prichataha, prichanti. Prichasi, prichataha, prichata. So pricha. Prach is a dhatu. When you decline that,
Oh, yes, Guruji. Thank you. Okay, okay. Yeah. Yuvam prachataha.
no, the same mistake you're doing now.
Oh,
Not prachataha, it is prichataha.
okay, ratva. Okay. Yuva prachataha.
It is not not ukara. Dukara.
Oh,
It is cerebral, not labial. The vowel is cerebral. Pakara and rikara. Chati, prichataha.
Okay. Yuva prachataha.
Okay, continue. Difficulty practice later.
Okay, yeah, I will listen to the video again. Yeah, Yuvam scolds again. I think I printed this out, but I forgot to do this homework, Guruji. I was doing the other thing.
What is the word for scolding? Anybody?
Scold is
Nindataha.
Adayataha.
And we can see
Tadayataha is beating.
Tarjayata is correct, Shravanji. Tarjayata.
Tarjayataha is threatening.
Nindataha.
Nindataha is
okay.
Yuvam,
Yeah.
nindataha.
Yuvam nindataha.
Or you can say Yuvam scoldataha.
Sorry.
Scoldataha is it? Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yuvam nindataha. Yuvam hasataha. Yuvam carries is vahataha.
Yeah.
Yuvam dries. Dries is to.
What is dries?
Dries. Yuvam dries. I don't, Guruji. To dry is what?
We saw.
Say that again. Sorry.
We have seen that the dhatu in the Gita class. I'm saying. Okay.
Oh,
Can
okay.
you
Shoshayatah.
Shoshayatah.
Shoshayati marutah. Nainam
Oh,
chindani.
on.
Nainam dahati pavakaha. You can see the word is used, Kriya Padam. Nainam chindanti. Chindanti is chindati, chindataha, chindanti. Chindasi, chindataha, chindatha. Chindami, chindavaha, chindama. Chind to cut. So,
Okay, yes.
chindani na chindanti. Similarly, pavakaha na dahati. Pavaka is
Wind. No.
na dahati. The word dahati already we
No, Pavaka is Agni, na Guruji. Yeah.
Pavaka is Agni. Then Nashoshayati Marutaha. Maruta is Vayuhu. Na
Vayuho.
not dries. It doesn't dry.
Okay. Okay.
The
Thank
word
you,
is
Guruji.
Shoshayati.
Thank you, Guruji. Shoshayati. So, Yuvam Shoshayataha. Yuvam Smarat.
Smarataha. Yuvam Smarataha. Hello.
I'm sorry. I'm going to pass on that. Wonders is great.
Look, I didn't hear you after this. Yuvam Smarataha. Remember.
I don't know.
No. I'm not hearing. Can you hear me, all of you? Hello?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Charanji.
Yeah, after remembers, I didn't hear anything. Anyway, Yuvam Smarataha.
Sorry, Guruji, I lost the connection. Sorry. Yuvam remembers. Yuvam Smarataha.
Okay, fine. Up to the next person will do. Yuvam Smarataha.
Sorry. My connection is very unstable, Guruji. Yeah.
Okay. Yuvam Smarataha, it is done.
Sorry.
Opposite of the Smarataha is Vismarataha. Yuvam Vismarataha, forget. You too forget. Okay, the next person, Kaustulaji. Kaustulaji, you can read. Unmute your mic.
Okay, sorry. Yuvam Pibattaha, Yuvam Tishtataha, Yuvam Attataha.
Next person, Guruji, right? Yeah.
Yuvam Rangayataha,
Tibetan.
Yeah.
Yuvam Upadishataha, Yuvam Dhyayataha, Yuvam Vapattaha,
Yes.
Yuvam Yachataha. Is that correct?
Begs, not Echataha.
Is it Yachatah?
Yachatu. Yes.
Yachataha.
Yachataha. Yachataha is okay. Yes.
Okay. Yuvam Kshalayataha, Yuvam Mundayataha, Yuvam Khanataha, Yuvam Karthayataha.
Yataha. Yes. Good. Next person. Vartamana Kalaha Prasvipadiyato Nam Madhyama Purusha Bhagavachanam. So Madhyama Purusha Bhagavachanam Jyotiji. Simple one.
Yes, Yuyam Gachatha, Yuyam Namatha, Yuyam Pashyatha, Yuyam Gachatha,
Yes.
Yuyam Shokayatha, Yuyam
Carries.
Kilatha.
No, what you are reading? After goes, carries.
Yuyam carries. Vahataha, Vahatha.
Vahatha. Yuyam Vahatha.
Yuyam Dhavatha, Yuyam Shokayatha.
What is the word for grieve? Shochata. Shochati.
Shochatha.
Shochati. Shochataha. Shochan. Shochasi. Shochataha. Shochatha.
Shochatha. Yes, Guruji.
Okay.
Yuyam Khilatha.
Blossoms. Vikasat. Vikasati.
Vikasata.
Please note if
Yuyam
you don't know.
atatha.
Vikasati, vikasataha, vikasanti. Pani vikasanti. Flowers blossom. Tvam vikasasi. Yuvam vikasataha. Yuyam vikasatha. Okay.
Yuyam vikasatha, yuyam athatha,
Good.
yuyam pathatha.
What about Spuratha, Guruji, for blossoms?
Spurata. Spurata is throbbing.
Okay,
Pranam. Right?
okay, Guruji.
And yuyam falatha.
Yuyam palata fructifies. Yuyam resides is ratatha. I think you said that.
Yes, sir.
Next person now, Manjulaji.
Yeah, Guruji. Yuyam patatha, yuyam kshalatha,
Not Shalata.
washes.
Yuyam Shalata. There's no word Shalata. Shalayata.
Shalatha,
Shalayata.
shalayata. Okay, ji.
Shalayati. Shalayataha. Shalayanti. Please note the washes. Kriyapadam is Kshal and Shalayati. Not Kshalati. I'm saying
Okay.
Purusha Ekavachanam. Kshalayati, Kshalayataha, Ksalayanti. It is not Kshalati, Kshalataha, Kshalanti. One more ya is there. Kshalayati.
Yes, ji.
Like the word Gana Yati, Tada Yati. Okay.
Yeah.
Kshala.
Yuyam shalayatha,
Yes.
yuyam nindata,
Yes.
yuyam rangayata,
Good.
yuyam burns is jwalatha, yuyam jwalatha,
Burns, not lights, not glows. This burn. So Dahatha.
dahatha, yuyam dahatha, yuyam pibatha.
What about Tapatha, Guruji?
Tapata also you can say. Tapata is, there's a difference. Tapata is doing tapas. That is also a type of burning only, burning oneself, self-mortification. Or tapata, if you literally burn something, burn the wood or burn the fuel, that is burning. Okay. So we have to see the context and use the words.
Okay.
Tapa. A tapasvi doing tapas. So tapasvi tapati. Dahati you can say that is context where the meaning wise it is self mortification. He does tapas. So in the process he burns himself. Contextual. Yeah, continue.
Yuyam pibatha, yuyam rakshatha,
Many words are there protects. Rakshatha,
yeah, nayata,
palayatha,
avata,
avatar. Yeah, yes.
yuyam krandatha, yuyam pruchatha, yuyam archata.
Archata, namatha, your choice.
Yeah.
Next person. After Manjulaji. Next person, Amilaji. All this is simple one.
Ji.
Yeah, please read.
Yuyam gayata. Yuyam
Gives. Yachata.
yachata. Yuyam pibata.
False. After gives, the next one is false, is there?
Yes, Ji, false.
Yeah, the words are false. Patatha.
Patata. Yuyam likata. Yuyam
What is the word for acting?
Acting.
Anybody?
Naya-
Abhinayata.
Abhinayat.
Abhinayata.
Vinayata.
The same nayati, nayataha, nayanti, but it has got abhi. Abhi is upasarga, prefix. That gives a meaning acting. Abhinayata. Abhineta. Abhineta is actor. Abhinetri, actress. Neta, the leader. Netri, that is the female leader. All from the dhatu, ni dhatu only. From ni dhatu, lot of words, from the dhatu, lot of words can be derived. So ni means to carry, to. Okay, so here abhinayatha. Okay,
Yuyam vapata. Yuyam smarata. Yuyam uyata.
what is that?
G weaves. Uyata.
Uyata. Which gana is uyata? I gave another word, I think. The word for giving.
Sivyatha.
Tivyata.
Sivyata. Siv.
Sivyata.
Sivyata. Sivyata.
Okay, ji. Sivyata. Yuyam counts.
Ganayata.
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 Yuyam ganayatha.
Ganayata. Yuyam ratata.
Ratatha. Okay. All the verbs are coming again and again. So please remember these verbs are important. Even for our Laukika Vyavahara, if you want to use some, if you want to speak in Sanskritam, all these Kriya Padams are important. Okay, then next person. Pramila ji. Okay. Nobody is left. But back to Padma ji. You can read.
Yuyam dhavata. Yuyam garjata. Yuyam nirtyata. Yuyam chindata. Yuyam prichata.
Chindata,
Yuyam.
another word is Kartayata. Both are there. Anyone can use.
Oh, what was that? Sorry.
Kartayata, I said.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I wrote it down. Yuyam tishtata. Yuyam chintayata. Yuyam chintayata. Yuyam tolayata. Tolayata.
Tolayati means weighing. Tolayati,
Based and there is tolayata. Yes.
Priya.
Renounce.
Next person.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Okay, you can do. Okay, only one line is there. Complete. Yes.
Okay. Yuyam. I don't know if is it jahata or tyajata. Tyajata. Sorry, tyajata. Tyajata. And the next one, yuyam lumpata is breaks. Is it right? Lumpata. I'm not sure.
Yeah, breaks or
Okay.
say lumpata or khandayata.
And okay.
It's okay. Lumpata is can say. Lumpati. Next person, Priyaji. Convert the following sentences into singular, dual, or plural form. Yes.
Okay, ji.
You have to.
Sorry, Guruji, 1 second.
Sorry?
Guruji, breaks. What is the word, Guruji?
She said Kande. I said Kandayata. She said
Guruji.
Lumpata.
Okay, ji.
Yes, Priyaji.
Yes, ji. Tvam patasi. Yuvam patataha. Yuyam patata. Tvam likasi. Yuvam likataha. Yuyam likata. Tvam kadasi. Yuvam kadataha. Yuyam kadata. Tvam kelasi. Yuvam kelataha. Yuyam kelata. Tvam tavasi. Yuvam tavataha. Yuyam Tavatha.
This person. So I hope you all know the meaning. I'm not telling the meaning. The meanings are simple. Simple Kriya Padam. So when you use Tvam, Ivam, Yuyam, accordingly the suffix to the dhatu should be added. If it is Tvam, it is Si. If it is Yuvam, it is Taha. Yuyam is Ta. That practice, that Abhyasa should come naturally. Okay, that by Abhyasa, it should come naturally. The Abhyasa, it should come naturally is, Abhyasa is done, what is natural done? Anyway, so that when you use Tvam, remember, Si must come to the Kriya Padam. So that Abhyas, that one comes only by practice. Any Kriya Padam, any action, verb, Kriya Padam you say, you will not do even by mistake. Tvam, when you say, you will not say Taha Artha, you will say Si. So that Abhyasa has to come. That comes only by repeated reading. It comes. So we are doing here. No. Okay, next person, Tanujaji, please read. The meaning, if you don't understand, please ask.
Sharanji, once again, for the
Yes.
word renounces, what did you say? Ji? Renounce.
Tyajati, tyajataha, tyajanti. Tyaj is a dhatu.
Gachati. Is it Gachati? What did you say? Ji? I couldn't hear clearly.
Tyaj. Tyaj is a dhatu. Tyaj. Akara, then yaj. Tyaj. You see the
Yaj.
dhatus? Yeah.
Okay.
Tyaj.
Tyaj. Okay. Thank
See, tyaj means gives up, renounces, abandons. Meanings are there. And also one more thing, dhatu na mane kartaha. Dhatu not only have this meaning, it has other meanings also. Whatever the meanings we are saying, these are the popular meanings. Popular meaning of the dhatu. A dhatu can be used in other meanings. How do we know? That is only when we know only from the Shishta Prayoga. The Prayoga of the Shishta, that is the people, the great people in the Sampradaya, from them only we know. From the Kavya, from the what they have written, the Kavya, the Kavita, right? From that, those texts only we come to know the dhatus having other meanings also. Okay, so it is not that dhatu has got only this meaning. Dhatu has got different meanings. Okay, so whatever we know, the meaning is only the popular meaning. Okay, next person, Tanujaji. I think she has got internet problem. Next person, Kausalyaji, you can do it.
Tvam chushasi, yuvam chushatha, yuyam chushatha.
What is the meaning of Chusha?
Is it indicate or something?
Is it suck? To suck?
Yes,
Chu-
yes. Suck. Sucking.
Suck is it? Okay.
Okay.
Tvam japasi, yuvam japataha, yuyam japatha. Tvam gayasi, yuvam gayataha, yuyam gayatha. Tvam garjasi, yuvam garjataha, yuyam garjatha. Tvam hasasi, yuvam hasataha, yuyam hasatha.
Person is Jyoti.
Yes. Tvam tapasi, yuvam tapatha, yuyam tapatha. Tvam chalasi, yuvam chalatha, yuyam chalatha. Tvam charasi, yuvam charatha, yuyam charatha.
What is the difference? Chalasi, charasi.
Chalasi is walk and charasi is wander aimlessly.
Both mean almost same. Chala, chara, moving only. Both are gatyartaka dhatu only. Chala is moving. Chara is also moving. But when you say grazing, charasi use.
Ah.
Yeah, horse grazes. Ashvaha charati.
Charati.
Ashvaha chalati means Ashvaha charasi is horse graces. That meaning is there. Okay. Okay, continue.
Tvam ratasi, yuvam ratatha, यूयं रटथ त्वं तत्र चरसि युवां तत्र चरथः यूयं तत्र चरथ.
From there, okay. What is tatra?
There.
So that we have not seen. We will see that and then come again. Come here. Okay. So what is tatra? How do you decline tatra? What shabda is what linga?
It has no
It
linga.
is avyaya.
It is avyaya. It is, therefore it is, avyaya means what?
Indeclinable.
Indeclinable. Avyaya is indeclinable, cannot be declined. So it like Rama Shabda and all, you cannot decline that avyaya. Right? So 1 minute, I will show you. Let's talk about indeclinable now. So there are many indeclinables in language. Some declinables are there actually in the language. Some declinables are derived. You can derive it. So I will introduce indeclinable. It came in the beginning as well, but I made an exception. Now I will see. Please pay attention. Indeclinables. Sanskritam name for indeclinables, avyaya. Na vyeti avyaya. That which doesn't change is called avyaya. So avyaya is a word. It has no gender, no case, no number. Like Rama Shabda. Rama, Ramo, Rama. Pratipadikam is Rama. The Pratipadikam Rama undergoes changes. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Raman. So like that, an avyaya doesn't undergo any change. Therefore, it has no gender, no case, no number, nothing, no linga, no vibhakti, no vachanam. So, for example, api is also. How do you decline also? There is no ekavachanam, there is no dvivachanam, there is no bhagavachanam. And there are no vibhaktis. There is no gender also. What gender also will have? The word api, meaning also. Similarly, cha is and. Similarly, there are other words are there. Few words we will see. There is a shloka which tells what avyayam is. Sadrisham trishalingeshu sarvasu cha vibhaktishu vachaneshu cha sarveshu yanavyeti tadavyayam. You can repeat. Sadrisham trishalingeshu
Sadrisham Trishulingeshu
sarvasu cha vibhaktishu
Sarvasu cha Vibhaktishu
Tishu.
vachaneshu cha sarveshu
Vachaneshu cha sarveshu
yanavyeti tadavyayam.
yanna veti tadavyayam.
So, Sadrisham means same. Trishulingeshu in all the three lingas. Sarvasu vibhaktishu in all the vibhaktis. Sarveshu vachaneshu in all the vachanas. Yat na vyeti, that which doesn't change. It is called avyaya. For example, Rama is a Pratipadikam which can be declined for its vibhakti and vachanam. Rama is masculine gender, linga. Like Rama, avyaya cannot be declined. So it is same, the form will be same for all the vibhakti, all the vachanam. That is the meaning. These are some of the avyayas. You can know the meaning. Cha means and. Atra, here. Na means no. Atra, there. So atra, tatra, all these are location. Atra is here. Tatra is there. Yatra is wherever. Iva is like. Then api also. Putra is where. Anyatra is somewhere. Sarvatra is everywhere. So all the tatra you can remember. Atra, yatra, kutra, anyatra, sarvatra. Then iti, thus, kintu, but, yadi, if, tarhi, then. Start with this simple avyayas. These are the avyayas in the language. There are derivative declinables also. That is, an avyaya can be derived from a dhatu. That is also isa that we will see later. So long way to go. We need to see pratyayas and all that we will see. Now you can see in these sentences. Ramaha atra patati. When you read the sentence, always first you have to look for the kriyapadam, patati. Because patati, kriyapadam gives you a lot of information. It is a sentence, it is pratama purusha, it is ekavachanam. So patati is a Taha patati, Ramaha patati. Who reads? Rama reads. Putra patati, Atra patati. Where does he read? He reads here. So Atra is avyaya. Patati is pratama purusha, ekavachanam, latlakara, present tense. Ramaha is the karta, subject. Pratama vibhakti. Vachanam of the subject and the vachanam of the kriyapadam must match. Then Ishvaraha sarvatra asti. Ishvaraha asti. Kutra? Sarvatra. Sarvatra is avyayam, everywhere. Ramaha api na gayati. Rama also doesn't sing. Gayati. Kaha gayati Ramaha. Ramaha na gayati. So na should be read. Na gayati. Should be read with the kriyapadam. Sometimes in a sentence, na can be in the beginning, but anywhere it can be. Na Ramaha api gayati. Suppose if it is there, the na should be connected to the kriyapadam. Remember, na meaning no should be connected to the kriyapadam. Rama also doesn't sing, so api also avyaya. Na is also avyaya. Ramaha gayati. Ramaha api gayati. Ramaha api na gayati. Ramaha gayati. Rama sings. Ramaha api gayati. Rama also sings. Ramaha api na gayati. Rama also doesn't sing. Right? Okay. You can read this now. Who is supposed to read now? Son? I think Kausalya, you can read.
Ramaha atra patati. Rama reads here. Ishvaraha sarvatra asti.
Here, atra, remember, atra means here.
Here.
Is, people may think that it is there. It's not there, it is here. Okay, if it is there, what is the word for there? Atra.
Atra.
Okay.
Ishvaraha sarvatra asti. Ishvara is everywhere. Ramaha api na gayati. Rama also does not sing.
Yeah, one minute. And here you can see the avyaya is marked as A. Okay. You can note this, avyaya is marked as A. A means avyaya. And you know the notation for kriya padam and the nouns. The Roman sign 3 stands for pratama purusha and is ekavachanam. And for the noun it is, the numerator stands for vibhakti, denominator stands for the vachanam. Okay. Yeah, continue please.
Saha kutra gacchati. Where does he go? Ramanaha Ramaha iva asti. Ramana is like Rama.
So Ramanaha iva. So asti is Ramanaha asti. Katham asti. Ramaha iva asti Ramanaha. Okay, next person. Jyoti. One sentence. Okay, read. No problem.
Ramaha Ramanaha cha mama bhratarau staha. Rama and Ramana are my brothers.
So what is avyaya here?
Cha is avyaya.
Cha is avyaya. You can see now here. The kriya padam is
Staha.
so kaustaha.
Ramaha Ramanaha. Ramaha cha Ramanaha staha.
Ramaha Ramanaha cha. that is cow, I mean, cow. Those two are cow staha. Tau bhratarau staha. Kasya bhratarau? Whose bhrata?
Mama Bhratarau.
Bhrata. Remember, Kim Shabda we have seen. So I hope you understand when I say something in Sanskritam. Staha, cow staha means who are they two? Bhratarau staha. Bhratarau staha and tau Ramaha, Ramanaha cha. Those two are Rama, Ramana. Bhratarau staha. Kasya bhratarau? Whose bhrata? Whose brothers are they two? These two brothers, two. Mama bhratarau staha. Continue. Jyotiji.
Krishnaha atra tishtati. Krishna stands here.
Yes.
Vishnuhu tatra gayati. Vishnu sings there. Balaha kutra pachati. Where does the child read?
Yes.
Balika api krandati. The female girl child also cries.
Yes.
Rameshaha anyatra jivati. Ramesh lives elsewhere.
Good. Next person. Manjulaji.
Radha tatra gacchati. Radha goes there. Vayuhu sarvatra asti. Vayu is everywhere. Mohanaha yatra tatra dhavati. Mohan going here and there or somewhere
Runs here
and
and there.
yeah, ji.
Runs here and there.
Here and there. Runs here and there, yes. Tatra Meera na patati kintu gayati. Meera not reading there but singing.
Yes.
Here tatra and kintu na. These three are avyaya, Guruji.
Yes.
Suryaha kutra khadati. Surya where he eats.
Where does the Surya? Surya is the name of the person. Where does he eat? Okay.
Yeah.
This person. Ramilaji.
Rama kutra namati. Rama where salutes.
Yes.
Kokila atra tatra va vasati. Kokila lives here and there.
Here or there.
Here or there. Okay.
All the three are avyayam. Yeah, avyayams. Atra, tatra, va.
Va.
Va is or.
Or. Okay. Next. Veena api gayati. Veena also sings. Yatra priya gacchati. Tatra Janaki api gacchati. Wherever Priya goes, there Janaki also goes.
So here in this sentence, yatra tatra is that you will have two sentences. One is Priya gacchati. Right? Other one is Janaki api gacchati. So two sentences are there. They are connected by yatra tatra. So you will see yatra tatra coming together. Yatra yatra gunata kirtanam tatra tatra kritamasta kanjalim. Yatra tatra, the pair comes. Okay.
Tatra vanaraha khadati yatra phalam asti.
You can rewrite the sentence any way you like. Yatra palam asti tatra vanaraha khadati. Tatra vanaraha khadati yatra palam asti. So you can put yatra tatra the sentence anywhere. But yatra followed by tatra. That is a sentence, that meaning that is where fruit is there, there monkeys eat. So the fruits must be there, that there yatra must be there. That sentence can be placed anywhere along with yatra. The meaning will not change.
Wherever the fruit is, there the monkey eats.
Monkey is, yes.
Eats. Monkey eats
Eats.
tree.
Yeah, monkey eats. Next
Eats.
person, Padmaji.
Yatra Ramaha Tatra Marutihi. Where Rama is, there Maruti. There Maruti is. Yatra Yatra Krishakaha Krishakaha Kanati Tatra Tatra Jalam na asti. Wherever the farmer digs, there
There is no water.
there's no water. I mean, there is no water. Tatra pita khadati, yatra mata pachati. Where mother cooks, there father eats, or wherever, if you can say. Yatra guruhu namati, tatra tatra shishyaha api namati. Wherever guru worships, student also worships there.
Yes.
Vayuhu atra nasti, kintu agnihi asti. Where wind is, fire is, but fire is, sorry.
No,
Where
no.
there is wind, oh, sorry.
There is no where and there. Vayuhu atra nasti. Air.
Oh, wind is not there. Where
No, no.
there is no wind. Oh,
There is
sorry.
no where and all. There is no connection. Vayuhu atra nasti. Vayu, the wind, the air is not here. Then what is here? Only Agnihi.
Fire, heat.
Only
Fire
Agni
is here.
is.
Agni.
There is no yatra tatra here.
Oh, okay. Yatra. Oh, I am sorry. I read the next sentence actually accidentally. That's what. Okay, never mind. Wind is not there, but fire is here. Is it? Atra is there, right, Sharanji? Or did I mess it up?
I didn't get you.
No, Atra is there, right?
Atra is not there.
It's
Atra
here. I'm sorry.
here.
I'm
That's what I told
okay.
in the beginning.
Okay. Wind is here. Okay. All right. I got it.
Okay, next person. Next person.
Okay. Sorry.
Priyaji.
Yatra vayuhu tatra na agnihi. Wherever there is air, there is no fire.
Yatra vayuhu, wherever the vayu is, wind is.
Yes.
Tatra na agni, there is no.
Agnihi.
Hmm.
Yadi adhyapakaha pruchati tarhi chatra vadati. If tarhi vadati speaks.
Yadi adhyapaka.
Yadi, if the teacher asks, tarhi is, then the student speaks.
Yes.
Vadati. Okay. Yadi bhavataha
What's
putraha.
tarhi, Guruji?
Tarhi.
Then.
Yadi, if and then. Yadi adhyapaka pruchati, if teacher asks. We saw tarhi now. I show the list of avyayas. Then is female student. Chatra is that. Female student. Chatra speaks. If the teacher asks, then the female student speaks. Yes.
Yadi bhavataha putraha tatra gacchati tarhi mama putri api tatra gacchati.
Good.
If
What is bhavataha putraha tatra gacchati? Gacchati. Kaha gacchati? In that sentence you take the first sentence, which is within the square braces. First sentence. Gacchati.
Okay.
Gacchati.
putraha gacchati.
Kutra gacchati. Kutra gacchati.
Tatra.
Tatra. Kasya putraha?
Bhavata.
What is bhavataha?
Bhavataha is with respect.
Bhavataha is your, right? Your son.
Your, yeah. Oh, shucks. Okay.
You saw Bhavataha and all before.
Yeah, Bhavataha.
Bhavataha putraha tatra gacchati. Your son
Yes.
goes there.
Your son goes there.
Yadi.
Tarhi, then
If
Mama
he is
Putri.
there.
Yeah.
And the
Tarhi,
second
Mama Putri.
sentence.
My daughter also goes there.
Yes. So gacchati, ka gacchati, putri gacchati. Kutra
Putri.
gacchati, tatra gacchati.
Tatra.
Putri api tatra gacchati. Kasya
Mama.
putri. Mama putri. Mama is what?
Mama Putri. My daughter.
What vibhakti mama?
Pratama?
You entered in the class just now in the
No.
beginning.
Mama Pratama?
How can be pratama?
Oh no,
If
sorry.
it is
My
pratama, what
is
is putri?
sorry.
If it is pratama, then gacchati. Mama gacchati means what? What does it mean? If gacchati should denote then mama. That's wrong.
Oh yes, correct.
If it is mama, then how do you define? Akarantaha, pullingaha, mama shabdaha, mamaha, mamo. Is it like that? Riyaji,
Yes. Yes, see.
important. Don't say when it is pratama vibhakti.
No, mine is not Pratama.
Yeah, we've all seen this. These are basic words. We have seen that in the beginning. Mama, tava nama kim, mama nama,
Mama.
bhavataha nama kim, bhavatyaha nama kim.
Yes.
Mama is Shashti Vibhakti.
Sashti.
Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam of what Shabda? Where is Mama in this?
Mama. Sashti.
Where is that Mama in the table?
Ekavachanam. Ekavachanam.
There.
Ekavachanam ji.
Where is that? Can you see that?
Sashti. Sashti.
Can you read Shashti Vibhakti?
Yes, ji. Mama me avayoho now asmakam naha.
Mama is there. What does it mean? What is the meaning of Mama then?
My.
Pratipadikam is? Pratipadikam. What is the Pratipadikam of Mama? Simple question. Okay, not difficult. What is the Pratipadikam of Mama? I'm asking a difficult question. What is the Pratipadikam? Anybody?
Asmat.
Asmat Sabda.
Asmad is there. The topic is there. That's the topic, right? Yeah, ji.
Yes.
What
Yes,
difficulty is there to say Asmad? Asmad is, that is what a Shabda is, right?
Yeah.
Asmad Shabdasya Shashti Vibhakti Rupam Mama Anva Me. Form of Asmad Shabda, Shashti Vibhakti form is Mama. Asking simple question. Mama is there, Shashti Vibhakti. What is the Pratipadikam? Asmad. Asmad is I. So I becomes my. When it becomes my, it means you are talking about that which belongs to you, or you claim that to be belonging to you. Mama pustakam, mama graham, mama mata, mama pita, mama putri, mama putraha, my. That my is called a mama. Mama, from that only we have got the word, English word my. Aham is I. Aham Ramaha, I am Rama. Mama nama Ramaha, my name is Rama. All these things we have seen. And yet to go back and listen to that. Don't forget the Vibhakti of Mama, it's important. Okay. Chanting of Shabda is for identifying the Vibhakti when we see the sentences. When we see the words in the sentences, it's for identifying the Vibhakti. Similarly, Bhavataha. Bhavataha Pratipadikam is Bhavat. We have, anyway, that Pratipadikam not required, but Bhavan and all we have seen. Bhavan, Bhavati, Bhavataha, Bhavatyaha. So Bhavataha is masculine. Shashti Bhakti, Ekavachanam, Pratipadikam is Bhavat and it is masculine. So your son, where your son goes. If your son goes there, my daughter also goes there. Okay. Continue.
You want me to continue, Jay?
Yeah, continue reading. Yes. Next sentence.
Yatra bhavati, tatra rama na bhavati.
No, no. Yatra bhavati, bhavati.
Oh, yeah. Yatra bhavati, bhavati, tatra rama na bhavati, kintu uma bhavati.
What does it mean?
Yat,
What is bhavati, bhavati? Two bhavatis are there. What is one bhavati? Which one is kriya padam among these two?
bhavati.
Then what is bhavati? I'm not asking a difficult question. Simple one. Bhavati. What is the meaning of bhavati?
You respectfully, Guruji,
Yes.
for a
Yeah.
woman.
Woman, yes. Bhavati. Bhavati priya. You are priya. You. Bhavati is with respect to you.
Yeah.
Then what does it mean? Bhavati. Bhavati means. Yeah, ji.
Yes, Ji.
What is the meaning of bhavati? Bhavati. Online class, if you don't respond, I don't know whether it is internet connection has gone or my voice is not audible. Difficult to make out. Yes.
Yes, Ji.
What is the meaning of bhavati? Bhavati.
Bhavat.
Bhavati, I told the meaning is you.
Yes, Ji. Bhavati is you. One is the kriya is you. Yeah.
So where you are, that is the meaning.
Where?
Yatra.
Yeah, where?
Yatra Ramaha
Yatra.
Bhavati. Instead of Ramaha, we are using Bhavati. That's all.
Okay.
Ramaha
Wherever you are, tatra there Rama. Tatra Rama. There Rama is not there. Kintu, but Uma is there.
Uma is there. That is sentence. Yatra Bhavati Bhavati, Tatra Rama na Bhavati. Kintu Uma Bhavati. Where you are there Rama is not, but Uma is there.
Uma is there.
Okay, continue. The next one, last one.
Okay. Yadi Bhavan Pashyati Tarhi Saha Padati. Yadi if Bhavan is with
Bhavati is
wherever he sees, wherever sees, Pashyati sees.
who sees?
Bhavan. Bhavan is with respect, no?
Yeah. You
respect
Bhavan.
Wherever you see, yeah, Tarhi then.
Pullinga is Bhavan.
Yeah. Then he speaks.
So if you see, then he speaks.
Then he speaks.
If you see, then he speaks.
Speaks.
Okay. So when you translate, you have to look for the Kriya Padam. Remember, don't start with Yadi. Yadi, not like in
okay.
Yadi is the first word, therefore I will start translation from Yadi. No. Yadi Bhavan Pashyati Targi Saha Vadati. If this is a sentence, you have to see, look for the Kriya Padam first. Pashyati Vadati is that. Kaha Pashyati, Bhavan Pashyati, you see. That is number one. Vadati, Kaha Vadati, Saha Vadati, he sees. Then Bhavan Pashyati, Yadi, if you see, Tarhi, then he sees. That is how the translation should be done. The approach should be starting from the Kriya Padam. Always look for the Kriya Padam. Kriya Padam only we have to do that. Okay, next one, last one.
Saha tatra kadati kim?
Question.
Yeah.
Tatra kadati.
Yes, there. Where does kadati is eat?
Okay, listen, please listen. Kadati eats. Who eats? Saha kadati eats. Where does he eat? Kutra kadati tatra. Now the question is, Saha tatra kadati kim? Does he eat there? If you put kim at the ending, at the end of the sentence, then it becomes a question. It becomes a question if you put kim at the end of the sentence. Saha tatra kadati kim. The tone itself has to change. The beginning tone must come. Saha tatra kadati kim. Does he eat there? Okay. I think we can stop here. The next, this translate the following passages. This is your homework. Please do this. Then only you will understand the usage of the Kriya Padam and the areas. Next class we will do the translation. Please do homework. Tell me 15 sentences.
Sharanji, I have one question.
Yeah.
Can we say what does he eat there? Kim means what, right? Would it not be wrong if
No,
I
no.
say what does he eat there?
There is no what does he eat. There is
I
no
mean, like what means? Oh,
does he eat there only, not what does he eat.
okay. Thank you.
Tatra kim kadati means the meaning is different. Yeah, your point is understood. Saha,
Okay, that's yeah.
listen, let me speak. Please listen.
Okay.
Tatra kim kadati. If you say, what does he eat there? Saha tatra kadati kim. It means, does he eat there? That is the meaning. So kim, if it is put at the end of the sentence, it is a question, interrogation. So, does he eat there? If kim is placed before kadati, saha tatra kim kadati, what does he eat there? The meaning is different. Okay.
Thank you, Sharanji.
Okay, I think we can stop here. Please do the homework and you can remind me next class. This is where we will start. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
Dhanyavad Guruji.
Guruji.
Thank you,
Dhanyavad.
Sharanji.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.